Do you drive a truck but want to sound like a train coming down the road? Grand General's Deluxe Heavy Duty Train Horn stands above the competition due to its quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The trumpets are made of brass and chrome plated to a show finish, delivering a rich acoustic sound that you could feel inside your bones. Grand General's train horn comes in bigger and comes in louder while producing a true train horn sound. The horn can be installed using the provided electric solenoid or paired with a manual air valve, pumping out over 140 plus decibels of sound. When quality matters, make sure it's Grand General.